Hello everyone, this is Deepika, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record your video and also how to edit the video using Camtasia. So the first thing is, when you have installed Camtasia, you probably will also see an icon on your desktop or even in your start menu. So if you just look for Camtasia, you will probably see Camtasia icon, and then just double click on that and you'll be able to open it up. Okay, so this is what the Camtasia looks like. Once you have it, whenever you click on the record button, it will start recording your video. Okay, so if I go ahead and click on this record button, you can see here, this is the thing that you are going to see. This is your window that will come up, and over here you can actually see yourself talking. Since I have the camera on, it's also going to give me a preview of the camera, and at this point it is just recording this desktop screen. Similarly, if I go over to a Google browser, and it's recording all of this, whatever I'm doing. If you want to pause it, then you have a pause button. Whenever you have to stop the video, then you click on the stop button and it will stop recording the video for you. Once you have stopped the video, then that video will appear over here. So if you see, you'll automatically, the video will show up over here the moment I hit the stop button. Go ahead and record some videos. Now the audio is always, I prefer using not the laptop audio. Okay, try using a mic, and I'll also be sharing what mic that I use, and you can either go and buy the same exact mic or something related to that one. So go ahead and select or choose a mic, plug it into your computer or your laptop, and then start recording. And you will see, once you do it a couple more times, you are going to get a hang of it. Okay, so this is how you click on the record button and you're going to start recording. It is going to record. You can also decide how much part of the screen you want to record. Okay, so you can see here, currently I'm recording the complete screen of my laptop. You can see here there is the boundary you will see is something with the green sign, green boundary, that basically tells you that this is the amount of the window or the amount of the screen that we are going to be recording. Once you are done recording, I'm going to hit the stop button. Basically it will end the recording. But let's say if you are interrupted by something, or somebody walked into the room while you're recording, or you want to have a glass of water, then you can actually pause the video by clicking on this pause button, and then it'll stop recording the video. And then once you are ready to record and start from that point onwards, then you can click the resume button and it will go ahead and pick up the video recording again. And then once you're fully done, then you can click on this button. So this is how you are going to record the video using Camtasia. In the next tutorial, I am going to show you how are you going to edit a particular video in Camtasia. What are the different features that are there in Camtasia? So we'll take a look at that, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.